Hi, it's Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom. Today we are updating the Gumball machine spreadsheet. Before we get the numbers, I want to change this. I took a picture this morning, so we're going to delete that. Insert picture. We are going to, okay, here we go, pictures. This device, we're going to insert the picture of our current Gumball machine and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to resize it and put it on the spreadsheet. Perfect. All right, so we did $21. So everyone's going to update their spreadsheet, and then you're going to let me know if we're making profit. So you plug in $21, and then I'm going to have copy paste. I'm just going to write February. So it is February 9th. Extremely low on Skittles. So you can see the picture. You have to shake the machine. There's very, very little Skittles left. All right, so that's it. Short and sweet week. $21 week of the 5th. Next week we have Valentine's Day, and we'll see how we do. Thanks for watching.